Yeah, are you videoing?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I'm setting up the track saw to make this final cut. Yeah, they say you can just set this on here and cut it and it ain't going to move, but it always does, so don't believe a word they say, because you're just going to ruin your piece of material, because these tracks are made not to slip, but they do anyway, so I never rely on just setting that on top of my product and cutting it, because if it moves a little bit while you're cutting it, well then your cut is off and you ruin your product, your piece of material. Lumber is very expensive, so you don't want to waste it. I'm using feeding mosquitoes here while I'm talking to you, just so you know. I'm using the Craig track saw. Not exactly the best thing on the market, but I needed one and they had it, I bought it. And it works. Not the best, I wouldn't buy another one. But seeing I got it, I'm going to use it until it's worn out and shot. Just like me. Worn out, shot, been doing this shit for so many years. My shoulders are sore, my wrists are sore. Alright, here we go. And we gotta make it this in here. And if everything's perfect upstairs, this will fit. If it don't, I might have to come down and cut it again a little bit, but we'll see what happens here really fast. Alright, going in.